Hi guys! Sons of the Forest with
God, we've had about 18 jokes.
What would you
with
do it after?
what are you about?
It's fine, we can cut that, just use Harvey's, that's what I do.
Yeah, I wasn't even recording then.
You're not even recording, it's not something, oh my god. Hey guys.
No, I'm recording now.
I'm going this way.
Morris FC and a Great Rover. So, and some Death Guy. No.
I'm going in the cave.
I'm gonna go find a nice area to start building.
You know where we first
don't
built?
need a house.
You can go into caves.
We did. I'm building my own house, man.
Yeah, I'm telling you, if we find a flat area and build all of our houses in like this fenced off area. Because otherwise, Harvey,
This is quite a nice spot.
I don't think you're the proof of giant stuff breaking down.
Is this place locked?
Yeah.
Water here as well.
I've seen Markiplier build here, and he always gets bombed by zombies. So I don't know if it's a great spot, but...
Yeah, it's because of this. This is part of their like because of these two things.
Yeah, but that's just great content.
I mean, it is, to be fair.
Right,
Should we? You.
let's get some logs. Yeah, I was gonna say. I was about to go get shot some log heads. You're not a log tree, are you?
You're not a
You're
log
just
tree.
Yeah,
You're not a log tree.
a stick one.
Nothing.
I mean, that's not a log tree either, but.
Right.
Look at this, we're actually grafting, boys.
Oh man.
I can't even break one tree without running out of breath.
I was wearing carpet team.
You still make the crafted axe, is that still a thing?
Problem.
Hope you got that book ready.
It's still a thing. I know you need sticks, rock.
Stick
No.
rock.
You kind of know how to build in this game?
Yeah, mate. Hold log. Look down.
Jake, you might get hit, but nah, you'll be fine.
Right, guys, it's time for an epic house building montage. And this is where you...
Harvey.
Are you dead?
Oh my god, he's dead. Yeah,
How do you drop blocks?
Q, maybe.
I don't know. I'll build another here. This sector's clear. Not Q, not E, not R, not T. F seems likely. No. G.
Build it.
Oh, why'd you throw so far? Hold on. Wait,
Right,
I've
look,
got
throw it
lots
up. Right, I don't know what I'm gonna build. Might plonk houses. Oh, well, Harvey, you. How far are you over there?
I know. I was thinking up here, you know.
Oh, you mean are you going over there?
I'll go up here.
Oh, I'll just go like central. I've got to build again.
One second.
Kind of put it on the floor.
So I'm just gonna do that.
Put it on the floor, see what happens, Gord.
Is that a log one? Definitely not a log one.
Well, I'm trying to cut a tree by just hitting it. Full on.
Well, how would you really cut a tree? Look at it.
Cut it.
Exactly.
No, I said I hit it, you fool. I'm gonna hit you, Carl.
Yeah,
Go and timber.
Did you?
I hope I'm actually recording because I can't remember if I actually was. Yeah.
I've just broke my house. Oh yeah.
Yeah, nothing, mate.
Nice one.
I don't know how your lot PC's rolling up, but mine hates me.
What fish again?
At 60.
So
Something. Oh, look at this. My house isn't very big.
Oh, that's annoying. How do you drop things?
I know the button. I just don't have to explain it, but E is G.
Oh. I was gonna say, what do you mean you don't have to explain the button?
Forgot what it was.
No, the bottom, I forgot what it was.
Gather 40 sticks. Who's grafting?
I'm telling Kevin.
I prefer Kelvin, but I mean, I guess Kevin works.
Yeah, it doesn't.
What a flip.
God, how many bloody shots of this tree when I was in there?
I broke my house again. I think I did.
Again.
Again? What did you do the time before?
Break it.
Right.
I'm just inactive. There we go. Building a big bit.
Okay.
I'm a grafter. That's what I actually do in real life, Jet.
What, you build houses?
Yeah. No,
Wait,
just the insulation part, though.
Just the insulation stuff. Yeah, it's a bit hard to insulate wooden houses, though, isn't it?
Not really. Who the hell thinks they're beeping outside my home? See my
Oh,
fist,
beep
see my
outside your
thumb.
Shut up.
No, crap, I've done it wrong. See my pinky, see my thumb, see my fish, you better run.
Right.
Oh.
Oh.
I was saying that for nice, like the first cannon was gonna mug him off.
First cannibal's gonna get absolutely
Oh, but I
dead.
hope you're editing that one out when we go. That's great.
Look it near. I cut the tree down now. I cut the tree down now. Is that gonna break my house? Better not, I'll lit it. I'm hearing noises outside my house, much terrified.
I can't see anything.
I'm on about in real life, but
Oh, well, there's not gonna be camels outside here.
You never know.
oh, you never know.
Don't worry about that one.
I live in the ends.
To be fair, I don't think I'm lying. I can hear little wobblers around here.
We don't live near the same spot.
We live about 20 feet from each other.
No, Leon lives 20 feet away from me.
No, I'm talking about the game.
What about real life?
In real life, it's a little bit further.
Yeah, that's about 5 feet.
Leon still thinks he's having my guns. To be fair, I'll let him. As long as he buys ammo for it, I'll let him know.
Got a long building houses in this game.
Oh, sure.
Not
will.
gonna, I forgot where many things are.
That is why I said house building montage, because if you think I'm going to put all this into a video, you're mental.
You know, but just do ASMR.
Don't worry, you lot could just use for clip me saying house building montage and possibly one.
Bro, wish like this allowed you to press the like. Oh, was it like like a stamp in the thing so you know when to do stuff? Certain things.
What chapters?
No, but like in the editing.
What, it just knows where you should edit?
No, but like you just
can-
press a button.
Oh
like,
no, oh yeah. And it puts like a little mark on the video.
so you know when certain happen.
Yeah.
Oh! Yeah, you can. What, timestamps? Yeah, you can do that.
No, but he means like right now. If he presses a button, it'll mark something.
Well, yeah, but it's not what. You're gonna need some complex AI for that, aren't you?
Never know.
Let's get the bill collector out.
But, yeah, of course it breaks that way.
Yes, his house
pretty
does
much
not
for
exist
ages.
anymore.
I go one chop on the other side and it falls straight away.
I don't know whoever's putting the stuff outside.
Oh, maybe it's right there.
You what for?
Oh,
Get over the build.
We're in a storage house.
Maybe it's right there. floors now. For 190, mate.
Yeah, Harvey, we're building our own houses first. Do them up.
I hope so. That's
We
what
can
I'm
then
doing.
have like.
You also need a wall.
Ow. So you're supposed to
Oh,
build a house, am I doing it right?
I don't. Oh, to be honest, I don't know either if I'm doing it right.
Lads,
I,
your
I,
house
I,
doesn't have a base.
yeah, you need that.
Oh my god.
You?
Just don't have floors.
I ain't got floors
Yeah.
yet.
Oh
But his
my
is...
god.
Nah, but look how his is built compared to mine.
Who says
You'll
I'm
know
not
what-
living on stilts?
Yes, I don't want to drop down this bro.
I put it in the wrong spot.
Yeah, Harvey, and who said I'm not living on stilts?
I want to make a tree house.
What if I want my house raised off the floor?
You make a tree house, or maybe you should put it up before you put it back down. What is that?
I'm not. You need to trust the process here.
Nah,
That's going to be a
but
very
just
long
stairs.
process to trust.
It's just stairs.
What are you even building?
You need. So we're not trusting the process clearly.
It looks like you're building like a coliseum or something.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah, you not seem like the Rome Coliseum. You know what? You know what?
Yeah, I know what you mean, but like,
Oh,
I can't see it in my build.
how dare you?
Well, the tree I cut down.
Ever? Can't lie, I just saw some logs and I was there. I was like, yeah, it's fine. I thought.
Your own logs.
Hey, all I'm hearing is. Like, do we need to shut up?
Hey, I'm living a luscious life. I only see a single candle yet.
Look, it's day one, no?
Oh yeah, but sometimes only see them like.
Day one, mate. Like, it's not even day one. It's like hours. It's like hour 8.
Sometimes only see them fall about your screen.
Yeah, you watch that until you get woken up in the night.
Who's wearing it?
Oh, I hate that.
Let's get back to sleep.
I'm banging on your door.
I'm grafting, man. I'm already planting.
Cool. Anyway,
No, did you just cut down the tree that I was literally halfway done with?
are you trying to get a smack?
I know you're trying to get some. I know you ain't. I thought.
Oh, shut up then.
I'll ping this log at you.
What are you about? I'll catch it.
Go on then.
Why throw at me then?
Are you ready?
Oh, that's a nice big tree up there.
Ah! I got it. I got it. You didn't see a thing, officer.
What's all about officer? I'm the Grange Rover.
No, you're the beanhead.
Oh, the beanhead.
Me or
There's a nut to cut down these trees.
yeah,
One
hit
at the
it.
back, and you hit, like you chop a bit on the front, you hit the back, you hope it doesn't fall the other way, and it just gets split, and it goes.
So we don't just hit it and just let it break our house.
Well, you can do that as well, but
You do realise it just falls in the general direction of where you look while cutting it.
I can't lie. I thought
yeah, but you
I
get
thought
like,
it was physics. Know what I mean?
What?
You thought it was physics? No, mate. Wherever you look, it just falls.
No, but I
It'd
mean
fall
like.
other way, like onto you.
Well, there's a little bit of physics, I guess, because if it hits something else on the way, then it just falls.
Yeah, and that's how I got clouded by it, I think.
I've got absolutely tricked.
Because I do not recall running in the same direction I made it fall.
Mate, you can do such good YouTube short on this. Just like.
Yeah, I got one.
face down.
I got one in the first 10
You're
seconds.
just running with a grenade, you explode Arby's out.
What? Oh,
No, you save it, so you just go back. But it did suit you.
can't lie, I'm terrified of the wind. It keeps opening my door.
Close it
Yeah,
then.
he's pulling my handle down.
Now my mum broke my door.
Your mum broke your
How did
door.
your mum break your door?
Well, she was putting these things. I think it's like soundproofing for under your door.
Yeah.
Like,
And what, the whole thing just came off the hinges?
and she somehow broke it, so it don't close anymore.
Well, I'm shouting, just smashed my handle off.
And so now I have to have a 15-kilogram weight that somehow gets bested by the the wind.
Brilliant.
Not really, but
So she was putting insulation in your door.
you want to see it one day.
I do want to see it. Because how loud you were, she's trying to soundproof.
I don't know. Maybe it's just more aura.
Enough your antics.
Shut up, mate. My house is 4 logs long.
Oh,
Why do I need to know
it
that?
takes years to build.
My house is a 4x2.
Yeah, my house is on stilts.
Mine is a 3x2.
Yeah, mine's on stilts.
Mine doesn't need a floor.
My house is better because it's mine.
Do we not listen with the whole "it's on stilts" part?
But no one cares.
Oh, what? You haven't even built. Oh, that's gonna take you
No!
years.
What's about 50 dams built on stilts?
Well, I
That
don't know.
looks that's locked.
It's a good idea, but it's gonna take so long. I need to
What?
like-
Cool.
Eh,
I don't plan on finishing this
Oh,
up in
it's
like
nothing.
2 minutes.
Absolutely nothing.
Can you get the light?
How do you get?
Oh,
You're not.
you're an elbow.
Yeah,
Harvey, where are you trying to send that tree?
I'm just want the sticks.
Great.
Oh, whoa! Turn your ass around now.
Sorry. I was pressing E. Sorry, I've got to Minecraft.
What would you want?
Sticks are literally right here, you beanhead.
Yeah, but this gives big stick.
What is it?
Big
Don't we
stick.
wanna overlook food.
Thing.
Why is there a log in the middle of nowhere, mate, on the
Um,
beach?
I have no food.
Hill.
What's it do?
Harvey. Gravity.
But look!
And the log has rolled it down.
Gravity's not doing that. Gravity's not even real.
Gravity's not real.
Harvey, if you jump and you see your stomach jiggle, what's that then?
J1 pet.
Right.
Guy keeps calling me fat at school, and he had a 5-second plank. It
Oh,
aggravates me.
How are you accomplishing that?
Surely you're gonna have to purposely fail. How can you
He
do
says, he says his hand slipped.
His
So we didn't know.
His hand definitely did not slip.
100%.
hand definitely did something?
Harvey, start a clip of you doing a plank.
Oh, back
For God's sake, I spent all that time just chop down little strips.
Mate, I spent all that time for now I've got to fill it in.
Oh, I think I'm gonna do it again. I bet it's a stick one.
There's like one log that I know's mine
Oh
out.
my God.
That's in my clutches. Oh, there's one here. This is now my clutches.
Bend over.
Oh, I mean, sure.
Proof.
Wait,
We can't argue with that.
Simba.
Huh,
Oh,
turns
nice.
Huh, it's getting pretty dark outside. Like, my whole character's starting to disappear.
It's time for a campfire. Get back.
Campfire, mate, bonfire.
What's
Oh,
that?
God, mate. Oh my God, I don't like not being able to sleep. Where's the other log?
We're tweaking.
Oh, I die yet, mate. Where's my god?
She just starts tweaking in real life.
Let me just press L. Yeah, because... Oh, I missed the old lighter, I can't lie.
Yeah, because there's actually a lighter.
You can't really see anything in there. I keep pressing E.
How are you pressing E to the L?
No, E instead of I for entrance.
I respect that.
Not gonna lie, I started pressing tab when I got in. I don't know
I'll
what
stop.
game, but I was pressing tab.
I started pressing tab, you were getting angry at me.
What game do you press tab to open your inventory?
I just know the
PUBG.
games that do it.
PUBG.
PUBG, yes, PUBG.
What was that noise? Oh, bird. Wow, bonfire looks effort to make.
What is it?
You have to like cut up logs into smaller parts.
Has anyone actually got a decent house yet, or is it?
Well,
Well, if it floods, I'm chill. If it somehow ends up here.
Yeah, but believe it or not, I don't think.
Why has it got so dark?
Oh,
I'm invisible.
someone make a temp... How do you make a temp shelter?
Hover, I'm...
Not isolate.
Guys, we need to move house.
I'm being like nice.
Let me play.
This time, just sure.
Come over here.
I'm here! What?
Small one.
Mate.
Small one.
Yo, where's your bow and everything? That's
Small one, big one.
Yo!
What the hell?
We're getting rabbits. We're getting rabbits.
Kelvin, get your skibidi yat here. I'm gonna tell him to build these. And then I got cuts down my... Run! And I got cut marks down my leg from it.
Help, help, oh god.
Food!
Flipping out, I've just been charged.
Come on, you want some?
We have a little red.
Speak.
Up!
I'm dead.
Oh, all lost.
Skin back. The girl's running away from you again.
Again, crazy.
Again, bro. I dropped more game than you, mate.
Hey,
Yeah,
she saw you and bolted it instantly.
Oh, you're gonna have to like individualize that. It's gonna be so long. 'Cause there's gonna be bits where we're just locked. Like quick double
I
speed.
never said this was gonna be easy to edit. It's gonna be a pain.
You do windows.
Yeah, you cut it in half, and then you pick up the half. Realistically, mate, do you need a roof?
It was just like a big old log.
Yeah, what's
hanging
going on
out
there,
the
Chief?
Oh no, my legs are burning.
Done yet?
What's going on here?
Log.
What's going on here then?
Dude, absolutely phantom text.
Oh no, they're not burning. They're nice and right. Look at that.
Oh yes, they're gonna fill it in, aren't they?
I just got pressured.
Man, don't talk about pressure.
Oh no.
What the flip? God, God.
Ah! Hey, give me that shit. Being
Oh, it's starting again. 360. Oh my goodness, Jack.
You don't see me.
I can barely see it.
Bro, you didn't see me coming.
Man just been lost. He's
If
been
you
lost.
do 360 no scope from far away, I'll show you how to zoom in, because then you can just see when I'm getting tucked.
Be fair. Oh, what? Right, stand still. It's better when you stand still. Oh, God. I'm blocked off the door, and who's gonna happen? I fell off. I fell off. You know he still hits those. That's Jack. Where's Matt? Dude. Where's Jack, get in now. Do what you want, but just go into your face. You thought. It's this way.
He's over there. Ooh. Ah!
I'm just got stabbed. It's not so...
Ball.
I was gonna tell me you could put like.
Harvey, look that way. Going into there was a bunch of friendlies.
The short potential there.
Oh my god.
Ah! They're black!
Oh, I'm dead.
Who's this guy? He thinks he's the build. This guy thinks he's the build. Okay, right.
I'm pretty dead.
Jack, if I say around, I'll stab like a millimetre before you.
Oh my god.
Chili bear! Ah!
You causing a commotion?
Not enough. I'm in the ocean.
Why are you in the ocean?
I don't know.
Just breathe.
Go, Kobe!
This is like useless, like bloody.
Unks, where you die?
Oh. Mamma mia! Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa!
Better burst.
Oh, that was great.
You're not making my life. I will cry.
I watched them run into the forest. A second later, we were screaming through my mic.
Look at him, I posted him up.
Yeah.
What's he doing?
Bayonet.
Bayonet.
Oh, it's gonna get big on the wall.
Jack, you got a new visitor.
And you, what you got?
I'm gonna starve to death in the next
Oh,
2
you
seconds.
a Terraria zombie.
Why are you sniffing the wood, mate?
See, I would love to feed you,
Bleed. Wop
How
wop
do I
ding
get-
ding.
how do I get stuff?
I voted for Obama. Please vote me. No, wait no. Give
Just
food.
press this button.
I voted for Obama.
Quit now.
Take your
Have this.
Take your time.
Have a fun, guys.
I don't think I meant to eat that. Hope's gonna give me mad chlamydia.
Have that. Puny child.
Oh, if I die from bloody...
We'll find out. won't we?
I'm gonna die first.
I can't lie. I'm gonna build these back walls and leave.
See you, bit, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like the video. Goodbye.
That's a
Clickbait.
terrible ending. Fix it.
Right.
Right, what he said.
We did it